Okay, we've got our screws set in here on both sides. We're going to use some glue, put some glue in there to keep that from turning on us. But we have to take some out down here so we get the mouth open a little more than that. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So we'll take that out so we can make some adjustments down here. Take some of that out. But this will keep this block from loosening up on you and turning, so you won't have to mess with that later on. So we'll set this up, let it dry good, and then we can hook the mouth back up and we can make those adjustments on the mouth. Thanks for watching.